I was just looking at my box for my Commodore 1802 monitor and found this. Important. This envelope contains a distributor's card and a dealer's card for maintaining sales records, required by federal law. We better take a look at this. We don't want to be breaking any laws here. Let's get it open. Oh man. Oh, this is no good. Important. For television products, distributor is required by federal law to fill out and retain all the information contained on cards. Holy moly. These cards are blank. Guys, I think I'm going to jail. I think I'm going to jail.